Hello everyone. In this video we are going to teach you what are vowels. Please get your pen and notebooks, let's get to learn.
What are vowels? Formal definition for vowel. A vowel is classified as a speech sound produced by a comparatively open configuration of the vocal tract, with vibration of the vocal cords but without audible friction. The letters A, E, I, O, and U are called vowels. The other letters in the alphabet are called consonants.
Short and long vowels.
In English, the sounds of the vowels are grouped into two pairs: short vowels and long vowels. The short vowels are pronounced as follows: A as in bat, E as in bed, I as in bit, O as in bog, U as in butt.
The long vowels are pronounced as follows: A as in a haze, E as in he, I as in high, O as in a hope, U as in human.
Question section.
True or false? All the letters in the alphabet apart from A, E, I, O, and U are vowels. A. True. B. False.
Select the word starting with a vowel. A. Yak. B. Lioness. C. Eagle.
Select the word ending in a vowel. A. Breathe. B. Crimes. C. Minerals.
If you find our videos useful, please subscribe now. Like our videos and share them with your friends and families.